Hi first graders, this is Miss Schloniger, and today we are going to read the passage Swans. Now, at the top of your passage, this is SW, which makes the SW sound. So if you have a pencil or a pen or a highlighter, what we are going to do is first we need to highlight all the SW words, and as we highlight them, we are going to say what they are. So the first one is swans, and I want you to highlight that or underline that with your pencil or highlighter. Now we're going to look for some more and say them. Swans, swam, swam, switch, swimming, sway, swimming, swallow, swimming. Now that we've highlighted all of our SW words, we are going to read the passage. So take out your finger, and we're going to use our finger to point to every word as we read it. Swans. The swans swam through the lake. They swam in groups. Sometimes they would switch spots. Then they would keep swimming. Sometimes they would sway their necks from left to right. Then they would keep swimming. Sometimes they would put their heads in the water. Then they would swallow water and keep swimming. We have read that one time, so I need you to color in that smiley face because you read it one time. Now, pause the video, and I need you to read it 2 more times and color in those smiley faces when you finish reading them 2 more times. Okay, so we've read it now 3 times because you've read it 2 more times on your own. Now what we are going to do is we're going to read each question, and I'm going to need you to go back and highlight the answer and write the answers. And when you come back, I'm going to show you the answers. So question number 1, where are the swans swimming? Where are the swans swimming? You can either pause the video now and answer that question, and then I'll show you the answers in a little bit. Number 2, how would the swans sway? How would the swans sway? And number 3, what did the swans do with the water? What did the swans do with the water? So right now, pause your video and answer the 3 questions. And when you answer them, come back and I'm going to show you the correct answers. All right, so number 1, where are the swans swimming? I'm going to take my highlighter. I'm going to find my answer. Where are the swans swimming? The swans swam. Oh, they swam through the lake. Oh, so now I need to write my answer. So I'm going to restate my questions. The swans are swimming. And I started with a capital letter. Swans are swimming through the lake. And I end mine with a period. Okay, number 2, how would the swans sway? Oh, I'm going to go look for the words. How would the swans sway? Oh, I see the word sway right here, so I'm going to read this sentence. Sometimes they would sway their necks from left to right. Oh, so they would sway their necks from left to right. So I'm going to say the swans sway, starting with a capital letter. Their necks left to right, and end it with a period. Number 3, what did the swans do with the water? So I'm going to keep reading. Sometimes they would put their heads in the water. Then they would swallow the water. Ooh, so what did they do with the water? They would swallow water. water and they would keep swimming. So I'm going to write that as my answer. The swans would swallow water. And end it with a period. Make sure that you have these correct answers and that you've highlighted all of your answers.